is Velia Shanebane. I'm a cancer survivor for 17 years. I come to the McCawley practice full of expectation and fear too. Highly recommended for the oncologist group. Guess what? After I walk into the practice, I feel very welcome because it's an amazing team. And meeting both doctors was like, okay, I can breathe. Okay, Velia, it's time to trust. This is your dream. For so many years, you want to have your teeth, your confidence back. And sooner or later, the day of the operation arrived, and 7:30 in the morning, I was in the practice, and by Monday, I was out of painkillers. No pain, and look, I have my smile back, my confidence, but as a survivor, and when you went through so many months of chemo, radiation, and achieve something what you dreamed for so many years, it's beautiful, and it brings a lot of emotion and many times tears, because when you feel the love, and when everybody is so professional, when it's a successful doctor by behind an amazing team would welcome you and you feel the love. Thank you, McCawley, because you guys made me feel part of the family. And I invite everybody, feel free to contact me and I can share my experience. A lot of love, happy Thanksgiving.